Go. Precision. Try and get some Turkish in there.
What they call Mr. Houdini. This is why man is Captain Sexy out here. I can't lie.
What's up, people? Hi, my name's Chris from Dripped Coffee.
I'm Jack, aka Captain Sexy.
Today we're going to be showing you how to do a AeroPress. And what you're going to be needing today is obviously your coffee beans. You're going to need some AeroPress discs, a decanter. Just make sure it's over 300 mils if it's a cup. The AeroPress itself, some scales, a timer, and a kettle. We would have a gooseneck kettle, making ourselves look professional. But some dickhead forgot to bring it in today.
Alright, waste man. I just wanted to test my pouring skills.
If you mess up the table and shit like that, man, it's gonna backhand you to a different dimension. I don't think you understand.
Now you're talking to let me take my coffee. Waste man. So we got some Honduras here of medium to fine grind settings. And we've got some tasting notes of jasmine. Then we've got some green apple in there, tingle in the mouth a little bit. And then we've got some vanilla. So smell that. And also, while I see smelling this, let me tell you now that this is an immersion brew. So it's a bit different to the V60, meaning that we're going to get some different flavors.
So the ratio we're going to be using today, like Jack said, is pretty similar to the V60. Our ratios, we normally go from 5 to 7. How about we just have fun today? We'll go 7.5. Like we say, everything we say on the video are just guidelines. If you don't like it, put the middle finger up to them. Throw it in the bin. Kobe! Whatever. Do what you want. We constantly break rules with coffee and we're constantly surprising ourselves and learning more things. Today, I'm going to do 7.5 ratio, which is 18 grams with 240 mils of water. But without further ado, let's talk more sexy.
Exactly.
Let's go. Swear down.
Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to take that kettle of yours, going to warm up the apparatus. You're going to be taking that filter paper as well, make it nice and wet. Basically doing this is just telling the coffees to saturate, to open up and give us more of them sexy ass flavors.
So now Chris is going to take the AeroPress and he's going to make sure the rubber part of the plunger of the AeroPress is halfway in, halfway out of the chamber of the AeroPress.
Just a tip, just a tip.
Just a tip.
You're going to be taking your scales next, you're going to be tarring them off, and you're going to be getting that coffee, making sure that you're putting it down in the middle of the AeroPress. You don't want to be having the coffee sticking up on the sides.
Exactly. Now what he's going to do is going to do a little tap tap, and then basically what that means is the grounds are evenly distributed, so the ground of coffee is flat, and that way you're going to get some more sexy flavors coming out.
So what we're showing here is with my sexy hands here, we're showing that there's each section has 4 stages. You're going to be doing 10 seconds of press between each stage. So I'm sure the boys are going to be showing us next, but let's go back into the boys here doing some pouring. Let's see if Jack hits the numbers right.
Yeah, of course I hit them right.
Oh yeah, well shut up, but let's see.
Yeah,
The
we're
proof's
gonna
in the
see,
pudding.
Ready? Wait. Oh, see?
What are you doing,
Mr. Houdini? This is why man is Captain Sexy out here. I can't lie.
Now don't delay because you only got 30 seconds left till you have to extract that coffee from the chamber. But first, as you can see Chris is doing here, is pushing all the air out of that chamber. And look, you got little bubbles coming out from the top, showing that you've got the air out of that chamber.
And the reason they want to press the air out of the chamber is because you don't want to leave any defects or off flavors being created within the press itself.
But remember, the time is still ticking, so you want to get straight into there. So when it hits 30 seconds, in we go.
7, 6, 5 in the middle point. 4, 3, 2, 1. And so again.
So you can see he's counting 10 seconds
follow
each
the
stage there.
5.
Alright, he's pointing with his little pinky there because he thinks he's the bad man.
So basically the reason why that you're going to be wanting to press for 10 seconds each time is that you're not rushing the coffee. And that way you're not going to get any over extraction or under extraction.
Consistency,
Exactly. You want balance.
Exactly. It's all about consistency. You've got to keep that consistency going to understand what you're doing with your coffee and now flavors.
And then basically at the end you're going to hear a little and this is going to indicate that now your AeroPress is done, bled.
It's
You're
done.
ready.
It's ready to gulp that shit down.
You want to keep pressing until you hear that hissing sound, and that's going to give you an indication that your brew is done.
In the end, you're going to be aiming for around 1 minute 30. So that's from when the water touches the coffee to extraction, especially if you're doing 10 seconds per stage. But that's how you do an AeroPress. If you like this video, please subscribe to the video, hit the little bell as well so you get all the notifications to our new videos.
Guys, stay drippy, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.
Oh, I'm a sexifying.
good coffee.